What is going on, guys? This is Louis, aka Matata for my gaming people, and we're going to talk about the 5 things that I love about VS. Stick around. First and foremost, I'm going to give a huge shout out to Kat Jane, because she was the 50th like, what's this, 50th subscriber, the 50th like on my 5 things I hate about VS. And if you haven't watched that video, I suggest you go do that and then go back to me so you can catch up on what's going on, man. Now let's get right to it. Of course, I have my cheat sheet so I don't blab. If I do, I'm sorry. There's a lot of things that you want to say, but then you don't want to make it so long, okay? Anyway, so number 5 will be promotions. They have very, very aggressive promotions running all the time. For example, like when I started, they had the mattress promotion where they give you 2 free weeks. Like you pay one and they pay you one, you pay one and they pay you one, and that was the end of the lease. If you want to keep the car, you could just keep paying for the car. If not, you return it. So I took that. So basically, they gave you 2 weeks to get free money, no rental money at all. After that promotion, they had a $7,000 guaranteed in your first month, which is very sweet. I think it's like you have to work like 55 hours, which I did like 60 something hours anyway, so that would be a piece of cake. And now I think they have up to $2,000 of sign-on bonus if you join right now. So if you want to do so, please use the link down in the description, or just use my email, which is contactburritoservices@gmail.com. Number 4, that will be support. VIA has live support via text. No other platform has that. I think it's Lyft that is implementing something like that. But VIA Ben had this. And how it works is, like, let's say that you're picking up people and someone has an extra passenger that is not on the manifest or your route, then you text them like, John has an extra passenger, and then they say, okay, the seating has been scheduled, so then you don't have too much pickup that you can't fit, which is pretty awesome. Or for example, like if you no-show a person and you take off and there's a red light and they see you and they run up to you, they're like, I'm sorry, yeah, I'm trying to text you. We should do that a lot, by the way. Then in that case, you can just take them on and just text VIA, hey, John came at the last minute, I was in the light. And what they will say is probably, just take him on and drop him where he needs to go and let us know as soon as you drop. So as soon as you drop, you just text them back and they will open up your route again, which is pretty sweet, man. So number 3, VIA sends promotions every day to you, I think by like 7 or 8 o'clock. Now, how is that good? Well, if you made like $1,000 in like 3 days, you'd be like, I'm feeling kind of tired or like lazy, tomorrow I'm gonna take off, and then the next days I'm gonna go hard again. And then VIA sends you that text. It'd be like, from 7 to 8 you get $40. From 8 to 9 you get $60. From 9 to 10 you get $34. You'd be like, good Lord, so in like less than 3 hours, I'm gonna make $100-something. And then you'd be like, it motivates you to get up on your seat and get up on the road. You know what I'm saying? So number 2 ducks is I don't know how you guys are gonna take that, but passengers have to walk to you. Oh my God. You don't know how long I've been waiting for a company that does this to people, because everywhere else is door-to-door service, because they're now in the 5 boroughs. They do not do door-to-door in Manhattan and some parts of Queens and Brooklyn. But you don't understand. Manhattan is the mecca of being lazy. Jesus Christ. And VIA finally tells his people, meet the driver at the corner at this time. If you're not there, you have a minute and like 20 seconds, and if you're not there, you're gonna be no show. Mother freaking yes, V, I love that crap. Make this freaking lazy people get up out their freaking seats and walk to the freaking driver, man. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I've been waiting for a long time. I know that's kind of weird, but yeah, I hate freaking lazy people. So number one thing that I love about Via, this is what I love. Guaranteed payout for the day. You know how much I love calculating my promotions, and the day before it'd be like, okay, I'm gonna do from 7 to 11:30, take a break from 12 to, and then from 12 to whatever I can. You know, if I calculate the times that I'm gonna work, I know exactly what am I gonna get. Actually, I get more because you get tips. You get 100% of your tips. For me, it's very important to know that I am gonna get this amount of money. You know, like in Uber and Lyft is great because you could get way more than Via sometimes, like way more. But that's not every day. It doesn't always happen. It fluctuates too much, and sometimes I really hate that. So Via calms my nerve, and if I want to get like a certain amount that I can't miss, like if I want to pay rent or something, and I can't miss like the rent, then I go to Via and I work like those specific hours that I plan, and I know that I'm gonna get the money that I calculated and even more. For a parent of 2 and living in the Bronx, that is very, very important, and that is very, 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 very cool. So that is the number one thing that I love about Via. It's getting dark already. Good Lord, man. So that is it. That's my 5 things that I love about Via. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, just give me the like button. And if you're new, please just hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, because you don't want to miss none of my builds from my G35 and my Montero Sport. Now, if you're thinking about joining Via, please use my link down in the description, because that helps me out and it supports this channel. Everything runs on money, right? Jesus. That's just how the world works. If you don't understand that, then you need to go to Mars and see how much they're gonna give you. So until next time, peace in the videos.